Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites: Python installed and Pycharm ready. Open Pycharm and click New Project. Choose a location, then set Interpreter. Select Existing Environment if Python is already installed, or choose Virtualenv to isolate packages. Once done, Pycharm will create project files and a venv folder if selected. This matters because consistent interpreters prevent dependency conflicts, making debugging and package management predictable. Make sure to point to the correct Python. You now configure the interpreter and packages. Go to Settings, Project Interpreter, and add a system or Virtualenv interpreter. Add paths if custom. If you need a specific package set, open the integrated terminal and run pip install package == version, or use the Package Manager UI to search and install. Once done, Pycharm indexes packages to enable code completion and inspections, which speeds development. Make sure to set the interpreter for run configurations, so scripts execute with the intended environment. You finish by creating a run configuration. Point to your script, pick the interpreter, and run. To diagnose logic, use debug mode with breakpoints, step over, and inspect variables. This reveals runtime state. Once done, commit to a workflow, run tests, lint, and use the terminal for manual checks. If something fails, check interpreter selection, Virtualenv activation, and Python path. Often the problem is the wrong Python, exe, or missing package. Restarting Pycharm after interpreter changes resolves many persistent index issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.